Hi friends, let me show you these blackout window shades that I received for reviewing purposes. You can reuse them, okay? They come in this nice bag, so you can bring them with you, okay? These are white ones, and you get the actual window shade. They are 79 by 57 inches size. So, of course, you can cut them to the specific window size that you need. Okay. They will look white to the inside and this kind of silver to the outside. Okay. They also come with their user manual and with installation accessories, okay? You get a cutter to cut them to the size you need. You get Velcro strips so you can reuse them. Of course, if you are going to use them in a place for several days or for some weeks, you can install them and put them and get them off. And you get also these glue circles if you want to install it without being able to get them off and on, like with the Velcro, okay? So we're gonna test it in our window and let you know how it looks. As you can see, this is what 79 by 57 inches look. They are really, really large. Let me show you. Okay, 79 by 57, okay? We are going to test it in this window, so let's measure it. So we need about 4 by 5 feet, okay? Let's cut it. We are going to use the cutter that came with the accessories. Okay, that's about our 4 feet. Perfect. Now, we are going to use the Velcro strips so we can put it on and off, okay? As you can see, let me close the other window. Okay, as you can see, it's really, really blocking the light. No light goes by, even though it's plain day. Okay, it looks white, and you can, if you want to have some light, you could open it for a little bit or close it again. So this is a temporary blackout curtain, plastic curtain, that will really get rid of all the light that comes through a window, okay? If you need that for a temporary use in your nursery, in your office, if you're going to film something, in your house, if you need some space really, really dark, this is a great option. You can cut it to the size you need it, put it with Velcro strips to be able to get it on and off, or use these permanent double-coated circles to fix it, okay? Perfect.